Praise the Lord, guys, looking. In the first video, I show you how to open and fix this one. You see, it's a little tall. I tell you in a moment because that the thing was disengaged. You see the little piece in the first video. So it happened yourself. You can fix it. The tall of this is almost 1 inch. Almost. Say here to here. It's like a 0.7. See exactly. Almost is 19 inches. You need to know exactly it's happened to you. Now, the line was on. I tell you this part doesn't matter. The line was on, but the problem was when I pressed the foot pedal, it doesn't move nothing. But I checking this when it's manual, the needle goes and down very well. So I say before I open over here or maybe the switch, I prefer to checking the pedal since it's a little more easy. And looking now, perfect. Okay. Thank you guys for watch the videos. Thank you for your subscribe. Remember, there are many videos how fixes, how work with your machines, how operate them, and please guys pray to God. I'm going to let a link or a video about what is going in about the education of the kids, and I hope you watch, and God bless you, and please continue pray for these young people. Bye guys. Thank you.